In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right debugger for Firefox extension on VS Code Studio. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, debugger for Firefox extension helps you to debug web applications or browser extensions in Firefox. To get it, go to your VS Code program and then click on extensions here. Under this, you should see a search bar on top here. Proceed and search for debugger for Firefox like that. And here we go. We have it here. To know that is the right extension, make sure it is from Firefox Dev Tools. And at the time of recording this, it had over 5.1 million downloads with a star rating of 4.5 and over 49 reviews. So if you see these details, and you can also read about the extensions here together with the features, then you will know that you have the right extension. And here is the current version for this extension. To get it, click on install, and this will instantly install debugger for Firefox extension on your VS Code program. So that's how you can install the right debugger for Firefox extension on VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.